Transferring phone numbers from one phone company to another is called number porting. It allows you to keep your existing phone number when relocating home, office, or changing phone company. If you plan to transfer your phone number to MOVOX, there's a few things you need to check to ensure the process is seamless. Don't disconnect your service with your current phone company, as you cannot port a number if it's disconnected. Let us know if the number is part of a group of numbers, or has call forwarding or diversions on it, or is associated with your internet plan, as these may need to be removed prior to submitting your application. We'll need the name of your current phone company, the account number from your phone bill, and the address where the numbers are answered. Once we receive your application to transfer your phone number, we'll contact your existing phone company to initiate the process. A single phone number is usually transferred to us in a few business days. If it's part of a group of numbers, has other services attached to it, or it's a 1300 or 1800 number, the transfer can take a few weeks. And with MOVOX, you can make multiple simultaneous calls using one phone number, so you only need to transfer the phone numbers you advertise for people to call you on. The other numbers can get left behind. MOVOX, we've got everyone talking.